Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and thank the Honourable Member for his question. Special Prospecting License SPL number 1451 was granted to Domes Mines Limited back in 2007. Subsequently, their license has been renewed and extended. It's been renewed for another 3 years, and that renewal will expire on the 24th of June 2023. These renewals only take place if the Ministry has a look at the terms of their license and whether they've carried out the exploratory work that they said they weren't going to do in the first place. So they have achieved most of the work program that they'd set out to do. And now the tenement prospect is for an area of around 3,000 hectares. And to date, they've already spent around $5.9 million in terms of the exploration. I won't go into a lot of the other details, but I'd just like to say that as part of what they're doing, Mr. Speaker, sir, other than doing exploration, they've also been involved in some community assistance and development programs for landowners development in Ono as part of its corporate social responsibility. In Nangara, some of their projects have included maintaining old roads, construction of new roads, aiding in construction of a seawall, construction of a new school dormitory for Nangara Primary School. For Matawi Mbili settlement, they have assisted in seawalls, housepad constructions, and excavation of rubbish dumps. And as for all of these exploration, when they give out this prospecting license, the Ministry of MRD, Mineral Resources Department, also has requires them to have environment management plans, and we regularly monitor that. So that's just a very short response to the question from the Honourable Member.